I remember when I used to say that I get famous off this microphone, grinding all day and night. I guess you could say I was in my zone. So much ambition, I was just thinking that nothing would get in my way. Little did I know, the love that I had for this music would change. Now that's what happens when your life takes a detour. The choices that you make within your dreams will push you to see more of this road. Success doesn't come at ease. How many turns do I have to take on this road to success to get to my dreams? Grinding my ass off, I still got nothing to show for it. Yeah, I got a bit of fame, but still I'm fucking broke as shit. Told myself at 25 that I would be successful. Now I'm passing 25 and life is still so stressful. Haven't accomplished any goals I set for myself. Only thing I care about is that my kids are living well. Now my son and my daughter is what motivates me now. So I gotta find this road to success and one day make them